different meanings of have with Hindi explanation, voiced and compiled by Nageswar Rao A, English teacher, Sri Prakash. We can use have to give different meanings. Number one, as an auxiliary verb, have is used to express the tense of the sentence. एक सहायक क्रिया के रूप में टेंस के फॉर्म को बोध कराने में हैव का प्रयोग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड योर ब्रेकफास्ट? I have been working here for 8 years. Number 2. To talk about possession, relationship and other states. पोसेशन के बारे में, रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बोध कराने के लिए हैव का प्रयोग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव गॉट ए न्यू फ्लैट. हैव यू गॉट एनी ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर्स? Do you often have stomach aches? Number 3. To talk about actions. कोई भी एक्शन का स्थिति को बोध कराने में have का प्रयोग किया जाता है. I am going to have my breakfast. I am having a meeting next week. Number 4. To talk about obligations like must. दायित्व के बारे में बताने के लिए have का प्रयोग किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have to move now. I had to work late night yesterday. Number 5. To talk about causing things to happen. किसी कार्य करवाने की बोध में have का प्रयोग किया जाता है. I must have my shoes repaired. Soon he had everybody laughing. The following phrasal verbs are most commonly used. Number 1. Have around or have round, which means entertain at one's house. किसी के यहाँ कोई भी अवसर में एकत्रित होना. For example, we shall be having a few friends around for tea one of these evenings. Number 2. Have down, which means have somebody to stay at one's house as a guest. किसी के यहाँ अतिथि के रूप में रहना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम प्लानिंग टू हैव माई नेफ्यू डाउन फॉर द वीकेंड. नंबर 3. हैव आउट, विच मीन्स डिस्कस ए मैटर फ्रैंकली. किसी विषय के बारे में निष्कपट विचार करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I shall have the matter out with my daughter this evening. Number 4. Have up, which means cause somebody to be accused for a crime. किसी को दोषी ठहराना. For example, if I see you hanging about my house again, I shall have you up for loitering with intent. Some important idioms. Have a good head on one's shoulders, which means be clever, shrewd. समझने में होशियार या चतुर. For example, Ramesh will do well in examinations. He has a good head on his shoulders. Have had it, which means have come to the end of its usefulness. उपयोगिता संपन्न या पूरा हो जाना. For example, I think this computer has had it. It will never work again. Have or keep one's ear to the ground, which means have good information about what is happening or going to happen. किसी विषय में पूरा जानकारी रखना. For example, Mr. Rao is well informed as he has his ear close to the ground.